self-compacting concrete, a global market overview. The report quantifies the market by design mix, raw materials type, and product type. The report further quantifies the market by application and end-use sector. The report analyzes the market across regions like the Americas, Europe, Asia, Middle East and Africa. Key profiles mentioned in this report include Breeden Group, Wholesome Group, Hilsarin International, CAGR, and more. Global market analysis of self-compacting concrete. Product segment analysis of self-compacting concrete. Regional analysis of self-compacting concrete.